I posted this on both floors. I think today's the 13th. Holy shit. I need to post a video today. It's 11:07. Okay, let's see. While y'all already, you know, join the stream and shit. Let's maybe I can edit a video and post it. I was also setting up some stuff for my OpenClaw. So I haven't streamed in a while, right? Mic is working, right? Bada bing boom 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 boom. Yeah, it's going up. It's working. So I haven't streamed in a while. Why is it asking me for a passkey? What you mean? Huh? Oh, it stopped screen mirroring. That's fine. It's good. I wasn't. I didn't need to mirror it right now. Anyways, let's charge it. Why not? Why not? It's fine. So your boy started going back to school. Like not going back to school. Started school again. I'm going back to school. I'm going to college. For AI. You know, who would have thought? Who would have thought? But yeah, we're going to college for software engineering technology for AI, and we got some, homework and stuff to do, and it's pretty basic shit. Honestly, I know like there's homework, but we got some stuff to set up, and honestly, I'm making these videos so like this video so I can go and just like show the friends that I made already in class tomorrow, and then the ones that I make that I'm gonna stream, live stream all the homework and like class assignments and stuff and do them. If you guys want to follow along or some shit and join my streams, so put myself out there, cause that's what that's what matters. Your network is your net worth, and I'm one of the main reasons I decided to go back to school is to meet more people, like-minded people, and to put myself out there. So yeah, after a lot of uh days of not streaming, the long hiatus is over. We back, and yeah. Okay, my notebook. Don't actually write stuff down. So, OpenClaw is mind blowing, you know? You're gonna be like, why is this guy talking about OpenClaw? He's doing homework. That's what I'm talking about, OpenClaw, yo. If you guys are in school, in STEM, if you're not in STEM, this is still mind blowing. This is revolutionary. So I fed it my, class schedule, and it set up cron jobs to send me fucking messages every time, like reminders for class. I know you Google Calendar can already do that, but who the fuck actually pays attention to calendar notifications? But a Telegram message that says, "Hey boss, you got class in 30 minutes. Gotta get moving." Makes you remember, because like, shit, I have class, and also just like makes you feel like Iron Man. Sometimes not there yet. my pen at? Does this right? It does right. What's the date today, yo? 5/13. 13/26. So, let's see, where do we begin? Let me pull up. Let me show you all my courses. You know, I have a second monitor. I keep forgetting. Now I can actually use this. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Nice. I can actually see myself here. That's cool. It's not even a big ass monitor. It's a small monitor. I wish I could show you. I can actually show you. Wait, 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 wait. Here. You see? Haha. I love this, honestly. It's touchscreen too. It helps me like see. I'm scrolling the screen. You see that dot? That I'm scrolling my screen, touching the small one. It's a touchpad for the bigger screen. It's kind of funky. I don't know how that works even. I thought the touch screen was for this. Like you know, the touch function was for this screen, but it's not. Apparently. But uh. I'm just loading. Loading agent. I am just overwriting some stuff that I previously made notes about. And one view. Who goes there? Wait, let me also watch my stream. Whoa, this is trippy. What's going on here? What? This is gonna break whatever's happening. So let's maybe not watch my stream. But that's so cool. I love doing this, honestly. What the fuck? This is tripping me out. Wait. Oh, okay. Shit. So, wait, let me just say something. $96 subscribers. Can we get 4 more subscribers from this stream, please? Can we? That would be like that would mean the world to me. Whoever's watching this stream, if you're not a subscriber, can you subscribe? Watch it just be my wife. Why am I not famous here? I need to blow up. Can you guys can the algorithm make me blow up? Do I gotta like strip and start coding to make the algorithm like I don't know break pattern type shit? Okay, we got the coding agent, the research agent. Wait. Then we got the ops agent, the content agent. Oops, I want. Content agent and academics agent, and then we got the so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got 7 agents, including Jarvis, the main orchestrator, and yeah, I'm gonna set up Telegram bots for every single agent so I can communicate with each agent individually for each task. Because when you have all these agents, not all these agents, all these tasks with just one agent, its context gets bloated. Like it's doing every task at once. Like I've seen it refresh like the context, like do compaction for one task like 3 times because there's so much stuff going on at the same time. It needs to not lose context about the other stuff that it's also working on at the same time. Because it's working on content, it's working on my website, it's working on coding another GitHub repo, also my cron jobs for my class, a lot of stuff. And so what we gotta do is split them. This is how I planned my architecture. We got Jarvis, obviously. We were keeping Jarvis. He's my favorite, my J-ski. He's the orchestrator. And then we got the coding agent. I'm gonna do a deep dive into the coding agent, do skills, plugins, MCP servers, and also like I don't know different patterns for the actual agent later on. But for now on, the main idea is just to have a coding agent. The second thing is to have a research agent. Then we're gonna have a ops agent, a content agent, an academics agent, because like we said at the start of this video, we're going back to school. So all the cron jobs, the reminders it gives me for a class right now, uh, the academics agent is gonna give me. So because I already have a lot of other cron jobs right now, and for Jarvis alone to do all the cron jobs, it just makes its list of crons bloated. Sometimes it's gonna mess up, and I don't want it to give me a wrong reminder for an assignment or a class, right? And lastly, the scout agent. Your boy's still unemployed. And it's by choice. I'm not really looking for a job. I am though looking for opportunities. So it's summertime. I'm going back to school. I'm, heavy on in the, tech grind right now. So I'm gonna see all opportunities near me, hackathons, internships, bada bing, bada boom, maybe even some jobs if I find interesting. And see what OpenClaw capable of in that terms, and because everything that I do is gonna hopefully convert into content. That's the plan, right? Um, yeah. Now, for this stream, right? I had a few things in mind. Go over what courses I have, right? So I'm gonna actually write this shit down so I actually do this thing. Courses. platforms, what stuff we use in school. Again, for the viewers who are watching right now, I go to Centennial College. My program is AI, software engineering technology, and this might not be your program, but the tips and tricks that I'm sharing that help me in my studying could. Oh yeah, that's the thumbnail that I made. The Chat GPT, of course. GPT 2.0 images is like, mwah. Luca, why are you meowing? What's up? Mm, what platforms we'll be using? So, like our first lab for software engineering fundamentals today in the morning at 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m. was fucking sorry. Yeah, installing VS Code and setting up GitHub, getting the. You guys don't have food? I swear that you have food in your bowls, yo. I took this to class today. This actually held its on the ground, and I did everything in class today, and I feel like I could actually go through the semester with this. And I'm gonna do a little research before I actually take my ally to school tomorrow. I might actually just do it right now on stream. That's a good idea. Let's see what ChatGPT says. What does it have again? Intel Inside. I know what it has. Wait, let's watch my video. Z wide mini PC, mini laptop. Here we go. Here we go. What? N100. Okay, so this specs. So I'm trying to find out. Typing quote unquote with void RSG Alapus doc is better if you already own it. Yes, only better if you want a tiny all-in-one pocket block. For schoolwork, I would rank them. Real laptop is the best choice. Let's keep a mouse monitor, usable desktop replacement. Cool, portable but cramped. RG Ally alone, bad for school unless emergency only. Quick comparison. Coding performance is much stronger. See, I told you. RAM 16 GB. I told you. Everything, the specs are better on this. So I just need to take my dock. My Mac Mini is gonna be kind of sad. I was planning on getting a new dock for the Mac Mini anyways. And yeah, I'm just gonna set this up on a table in class and just like get a few weird stares, but like it is what it is. It is what it is. We bow. Fuck it. Duration 27 seconds. What? Or is it 27 minutes? No way, right? I'm confused. Oh, average viewer view duration. My bad, my bad. There's the duration, 19 minutes. Okay. Fuck. This so stupid. Uh, okay, wait. We can actually go to our courses. Honestly, stay on the stream. Give me 1 minute. Don't leave, please. 1 minute. I'm gonna smoke a bowl. I'm gonna join the stream. You'll see me come join back, coughing and dying. But I'll be right back. I'm back. Thanks for waiting, guys. And I told you I'm gonna be coughing and dying. That bolt touched me. Holy shit. And um, for y'all watching the stream, are you guys in school? Holy shit. No. I need to water. And we're back. Water's been drank. I feel alive. Take this glass of water. It hurts my head sometimes. Like, it's the bigger size of the metal glasses. It's 53, but not 50. And it's still a little tight on my head. I just have a big head, apparently, I guess. But, getting back to topic, we're gonna go over what courses we have. Let's see, because I also want to like take notes, honestly, and we're gonna see what we gotta set up for each course. Because I already did it on my mini laptop in class, which was not the most effective, unless sometimes for some classes I don't where I know there's not gonna be any coding done, like for the lecture classes. I can just take that, or not even that, just my iPad and excuse me, and call it a day. Because if you don't really need to be carrying a heavy load in your bag, why would you carry it? But for the days that I know I would be doing coding stuff, I know I'm gonna take that, like, because I wanted to use it like a, I don't know, work setup for a while, and I did use it at home. This was my first Linux PC. Now I have a full-blown PC for my local AI and Linux, basically. And I don't remember what's installed on it. Ubuntu or Linux Mint. It's not showing Ubuntu right now. It's just showing the logo. So I'm thinking it's Mint, and it might have different multiple operating systems. Because I remember doing triple boot on it with 3 different operating systems: Linux Mint, Windows, and Android as well. So I could do that again, honestly. Maybe I will. Let's see. Of course. Oh, it does have Ubuntu. Interesting. I don't remember installing Ubuntu on this. Password. On-screen keyboard. No on-screen keyboard, of course. I need the dock. Say less. Mac Mini gotta be dockless for the time being. This is what I'm essentially everything in the school. The dock for the Ally, and my mouse and keyboard. This is my favorite mouse and keyboard setup, honestly, because I love this keyboard. I would take an extra mouse and keyboard if I had nice ones to take. I'm gonna get one. some. I have a nice keyboard, but I don't want to take it. It's my nice Sir keyboard. So I was there 5 concurrent viewers, but total 4 views. That lucky doesn't make sense. Oh, there's 6 views. That makes more sense. But uh yeah, this does the job. I've been loving this. This is my favorite because I could use this when I used to actually like work on like not even work like when I used to have this as my bedroom setup because I had a projector and like it's like play anime from the bed and shit. I don't have to get up, so this is perfect. Then I got one of those mini hand ones with like the trackpad. That's even better. But for now, this gotta do. And yeah, hold on. Let me set up. How much is this charged? It's charged, I think. Let me set this up on the dock. It can still charge through this, right? Yep. And copyright. It's set up right here. You can see, I don't know. No, that's not my vape. Shit, wrong side. Here. See? It's on the dock. I know it was hard to see because I can't really take the camera off. But it's on the dock. Let's actually log in. Holy shit, man. I don't remember actually installing a bunch of onions. When the fuck did I do that? Fuck, man. That's nice. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This was my test bench for Cloud as my biggest project. And yeah, because I see it the in terminal the user is user and the device is called CloudOS. So I kind of don't want to flash this. Wait, let me see. Does it have stuff installed on it? Olama. Yes, it does have a fuck. Run a model. What models do I have installed? No, skip. Olama list. The Quen 2.5, Quen 2.5, and Gemma 3. Honestly, it gotta all go. It's sad, but like it's gotta go. I'm gonna install Windows on this. One of my least favorite operating systems, Mike from Microsoft. Fucking bullshit, man. They just like feed you a fuck ton of bloat apps that you don't need, but it's all official and certified. So if you want to do schoolwork and professional work, you gotta have a device that it's Microsoft. Or yeah, man. I'm just gonna do no, not suspend power off now. Power off. Power off. Plug this pen drive in. This one had Windows installed on it. It's a Bluetooth flash drive. I'm gonna plug this into the dock, and then hopefully have Windows 11 back on it. And honestly, because I haven't really been getting much use out of it for like the past, I don't know, 2 months since I built a dedicated AI PC, a dedicated Linux PC for AI, obviously. And then I upgraded that PC to another PC because I sold the previous one. So right now I'm like selling PCs, flipping PCs because I love building PCs. And it's honestly hasn't been bad. Pretty fucking sick, honestly. I have 2 PCs right here. I want to show them. I actually have a video that I can post. Fuck, I'm supposed to edit a video and post it before it's 12. Let me see. Let me see. Still got 20 minutes. I want a video uploaded today. It's the 13th, but it's fine. See here. Yeah, you can see the PC. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this video soon. It's a nice build. It has a fuck i7 9700K, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, a really nice Z390 motherboard, and yeah, just the boot drive, 256 gig SSD, and the 1660 Super. Insane budget card. Really good performance for that price, you know. I got it for a sweet ass deal. My friend sold it to me for like, you know, basically nothing. Thanks. Shout out Amar if you see this video. And yeah, wait, honestly, we got a bunch of people watching. 26 people, you gotta like do some engagement, man. Come on. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys watching from? Are you guys all like, you know, North America, outside, Bangladesh? Where are you guys watching from? Are you guys in STEM? Come on, come on. We gotta interact. It's supposed to be a you know, fucking productivity session where we actually interact. You know, I'm supposed to put myself out there. So send some messages while I pray and hope that this works. Escape, delete, escape, delete, escape, delete. I don't know which one. Either or. Escape, delete, escape, delete, escape, delete. Escape, delete, escape. Oh shit! What did I press? No. No. Oh, I turned off. Okay. I'm pretty sure escape. Escape, 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 escape. I'm trying to like. No, it's not. What? How do you get into BIOS? What? What's the shortcut? Delete, 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 delete. Please work. Work. I know it's delete. Oh, what? Why won't it work? What? Nah. Wait, power off. Okay. It didn't. It's not booting into the BIOS. So wait one sec. Quick little chat GPT. my best buddy in these situations, you know? Okay, F2. Fucking bullshit, man. F2, F2, please work. BIOS. I'm on. Oh, we're into BIOS. Okay. Advanced mode SOY. Oh, okay, fine. Boot menu. Okay. Advanced mode. Boot override. And then we can install Microsoft Windows 11 because I need to run VS Code and all the other bullshit school software that I probably won't need. I'm sorry if any of my profs ever watch this. It's not bullshit software. It's really useful. It's just kind of annoying sometimes because you gotta go through like so many different like authentications and like setup. But now Everything needs two-factor authentication. Can somebody actually tell me and like say that this is actually equally stressful enough that we gotta have two-factor authentication for everything? Like for school portal, but who is gonna hack into my assignments? Who wants to see my shitty grades? Nobody. Not even me. God damn, 40 views and like people like still nobody still no messages. Come on, man. Somebody gotta say something, man. There's 5 people watching right now, right? Where you guys at? Drop something. Drop some W's in the chat, man. We back into in the education life. Can't even believe that myself. It's taking forever to boot into that fucking pen drive. Oh, interesting. I'm not really sure if it's gonna be able to. I don't know. Install Windows, because because I'm pretty sure I have like the BIOS settings fucking set to like fucking. Oh no, it's loading. It's loading. Alhamdulillah. God bless. Let's go. We got the blue screen. Okay, now I actually want to show what's going on here. Kind of. Wait, hold on. If it can't be that hard. Wait. Uh huh. Uh. You see the screen? That's what we're working on right now. I'm pretty sure you can't see it because it's like, I don't know, not so bright, but I'm just clicking next, install Windows 11, agree, next. I'm brain rotted. I'm sorry. I'm like brain rot music just plays in my head in the background sometimes. Sorry, not sorry. 40 minutes. Interesting. I didn't realize time flew like that, man. Okay, so while okay, wait, 1 sec. What does it say? Delete partition. Delete partition. Create partition. Apply. Primary partition. Next. Keep nothing. Install. 5% complete. As you can see, it's gone blue. It's installing. You gotta believe it. Dr. Bio. And we're back. So now, coming back to education, we got the shittiest class of college communications too. I don't know why they put me in ESL. I feel like I just didn't put enough effort in the assessment essay. I should have written a better essay. My writing skills kind of actually just dunked. I don't know. I haven't picked up a pen in like forever. So like it is what it is. But we got functions and number systems. So that's the first course we're gonna look at. Okay, great. Great. You can open it in fucking new tab. So we're gonna duplicate this. I love duplicate. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. MS Teams, where you actually join the class. MS Teams instructions. Sure. Let's just let it fucking. Okay. What? Gotta have authenticator and boom shakalaka. All of that to join. I swear. It's not that serious. I joined before. The ally doesn't have a camera, right? Kind of online faster with that. Sucks. Access Pearson to access quizzes, texts, and ebook. E-textbook. Okay, so let's illuminate my lab instructions. Matt Miller. My lab instructions PDF. Got the course outline, important dates. Let's see, weekly quizzes, major quizzes, test schedule. Let's see. Opens May 13th, so today. What? And closes May 25. Second one also opens a week from now, but closes around the same time. So we got more time for the first quiz, I think. Yeah, double time for the first quiz. All evaluators have to be access to access person links, so we don't eliminate evaluation. Okay. These are weekly quizzes, major quiz one attempt only, major quiz one. May 27. Okay. Are these in class? Not sure, gotta figure it out. Homework problems. Perfect. Course materials. Week one. We got these real numbers and rational numbers. Okay, perfect. And week two. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna cover all of this for this course. Keep this open. Close the switch. What's this? Functions and number system. What's this? Also functions and number system. I don't have to say this open what? Let's open a different course here. So McGraw-Hill Connect package. I hate this shit. But okay, we got this. We got the evaluation scheme, the course outline, and the Pressman PowerPoint. So the Pressman PowerPoint has all the stuff that we gotta do. We going into no. Okay, I'm gonna go all over all of this, and then the math stuff, because this is easier. I can finish it, knock it down, in one go. Set up whatever I need to set up. Then knock out the math stuff. And then programming. That's the class that we just did today. I could leave out the programming stuff to study for tomorrow. And my back hurts a long day. And I could study the other two right now. It's installed. Okay, I'm gonna put this keyboard aside. I also have important tasks to do that I must do today. I built these two PCs, but I actually never posted a listing to sell them. So one of the PCs still needs the boot drive to be installed. So I'm gonna install that boot drive, the SSD, and then I'm gonna plug in both of these PCs into that monitor. Take some nice flicks, put the RGB in every fucking color, and then yeah, post a listing. Hopefully, it's sold by this weekend. Yeah, make some texts and offers and stuff today. By the weekend, they can pick it up. Hopefully, it works out. So, like I said, for the stream, We got what courses we got, what platforms we'll use, what device I'm using. I already went over that. We already went over what device I'm using. My RG Ally. It's gonna be what supports me. Hi, Matthias. Matthias. I'm doing great, man. Honestly, haven't been this good in a while. Feel motivated, positive. Looking forward to tomorrow. Gonna crush it by the grace of God Almighty. We got this, we got this. And with all of your blessings, I hope some of you people that's out that are joined the stream today subscribed. I really hope you better subscribe, and all of you watching, subscribe right now. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna come in your dreams. I'm gonna haunt your dreams. I still have 96 subscribers. I need 4 more to be 100 subscribers. Come on, subscribe. But with that being said, what device I'm using, then 49 minutes. Yeah, the stream. Guess gotta pick up all of this again tomorrow, cause yeah, I'm gonna stream for like 2ish hours. What time is it right now? Yeah, 12. So my class tomorrow is at 12:30, so I can stay up till like 1 a.m. It's not that serious. And yes, sir. So OpenClaw, how it comes to help in school, and my multi-agent setup. Stream. Hey, what the fuck? Fucking cat coming down to hide you. I knew I told something. Take the fucking stand. I'll be back, chat. And we were supposed to set up a few things for school, right? First one was VS Code, and a lot about Copilot this, Copilot that. So I'm actually gonna kind of try and get used to Copilot. I've never actually used Copilot. I just use Claude and Codex and stuff like separately. So that's gonna be a thing. So for courses, right? We have 6 courses. Well, I have 6 courses. We got the COM 171. 171. It's English. Then we got the Math 175. That's functions. Functions and linear number systems. Okay. Then we got comp 100. That's programming. And then we got comp 120. That's the software engineering fundamentals. And honestly, with the fucking amount of projects I've done, not even the amount, it's not a big amount. Most of the projects aren't even on GitHub, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to consolidate all the projects, make them proper, put them online. But something else that I'm also trying to do is, so we got this thing called the PLAR, prior learning assessment recommendation. Maybe I think recommendation or like something, but it basically allows you to go through like an assessment of sorts, and also like verbal like interview and stuff, where they decide if you have enough knowledge to pass, and they also give you some assignments, I think, or like tasks to do, which are equivalent to the final exams or tasks of these courses. And if I can show that I have adequate skill, they would give me the credit for these classes, these courses. The gotcha here is this, like that it wouldn't affect my GPA. So that's the caveat. I don't have like a positive impact on my GPA, because it's just like I just get a CR, like a credit for this class. It would fast track my degree. I could just like have three courses gone from my timetable, or like two or even one, and just have a little bit less of stress. But it does mean that, you know, I'm also kind of giving away free GPA. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna try and see how studying goes for like a week or two, because I think it's a couple of weeks. Shit, that was not. That was not. No, oh shit! I just poked myself in my pants. Pointy side. The thing has like 3 or 4 weeks deadline, like the first month or so, and by that time I have to make a portfolio that can show all my projects and stuff, that can prove that I have enough skills. I'm hoping to actually get all the comp courses, the three of them. Comp 100 programming is all Python. Comp 120 is software engineering fundamentals. That's even simpler. We deal with like nothing. They taught us how to install GitHub and what GitHub even is. So it's kind of ridiculous that I'm doing that class, you know. But uh I picked up what GitHub is and how it is through Cloud Code, and like over like a day. Not even Cloud Code, actually, ChatGPT, because I had some repos up online before. But like I learned a lot more through Cloud Code, because I had to like, I don't know, push stuff after it did stuff before. With Claude, honestly, not even Cloud Code, because I used to use Claude, just Claude, the website, before Cloud Code. And eventually, when I started using Cloud Code, they just did all the GitHub stuff for me. But now, I guess I got to learn all the basic commands too, because it's useful. What if you don't have Cloud, which is possibly gonna be never, but it's cool. So we gotta play by the book. But and web interface design, I actually don't know what's in that course. It's tomorrow. It's only once a week, 4 hour long class. So not looking forward to it, honestly, because yeah, design is like, I like it, but it's not my best suit. And also just like 4 hour long class. But let's see. Hope it turns out interesting, and I'm hoping that all the stuff that Windows installed. Yalla. Nice. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right, right, right. I'm just trying to check up on Jarvis real quick. Okay, so it needs all the bot tokens from me. It wants me to send all 6 of the codes at once, and I know it's gonna mess it up, because then we have to do the pairing code out of all 6 agents after, and it's just gonna mess up the order. I know it for a fact. So I'm asking, you need the pairing code too, right? Should we do them one by one instead, so you don't mix them up? Let's see what Jarvis says. And honestly, yeah, let me write down my notes first. 100, 120 plus software, and then we got 213. That's web. So what even is web interface? Is does it mean web user interface, like web UI design? Because why is it just interface? It's usually user interface, like UI. I've never seen interface by itself, but I guess. One, two, three, four, five. What? One, two, three, four, five. Oh yeah, there's another course that's doesn't start yet. Hmm. Okay, so now we're actually doing all the agents. Let's see. Let's do it in his order. What's he got first? Jarvis. We already got this. So we got ops first. Let's do a brar ops spot. A brar ops bot. Good. Now use ops bot. Of course, this username is already taken. Okay, so abiotic star ops bot. Great. Okay, so I've created the second bot. Let's go. Reply Jarvis. And Okay, so we went over what courses we have. So now is what platforms, right? Let's do this. Evaluation scheme, course outline. Let's go over all of this, like not together. Let's discover what we're studying in this course. Why does Jarvis sound mad, bro? I said no. I'm just gonna copy the messages one by one. It's easier, and he's like, "Do you then? One by one works. Send the first one whenever." Sounds sassy, yeah. Sassy, yeah, low, low, low fucker. Ops token stored. Send the next one. Gotcha. After ops, we got the content bot. Okay. Oh, bro, content bot. Why does it keep screen locking itself? Fuck. Stupid ass shit. Copy. Sorry, too many attempts. Try again in 84 seconds. Okay. So let's see. Evaluation screen. First, we can print it. Boom, print. No, 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 no. I'm going to print as a PDF, right? Yes, that's PDF. This is what on 20 evaluation screen. Boom. This one's a PDF, and then we got this. Okay, let's download this to the screen. too big. So she said, what's the point of my not my face here? So let's see. Course description. This course introduces students to fundamental principles, methodologies, tools, techniques of software engineering. Topics include fundamental computer fundamentals, software development processes, agile frameworks, and version control with GitHub. What I told you, what did I say? Which will serve as the primary platform for collaborative coding throughout the program. Students will also examine team dynamics, software testing, and professional ethics guided by ACMI, IEEECS, and CIPS standards. Hands-on experience with Python and AI-assisted programming tools such as GitHub Copilot, combined with real-world scenarios. Which courses fucking outline is this? Comp 120. So why is the Python in this too? What the hell? Build foundational skills required for advanced courses, including Comp 225 in semester 2 and Comp 246 in semester 3. Imagine I can already, like, I don't know, do the thing. Wait, it's been sitting at the welcome screen for Windows. Let me grab the PLAR for those semester 2 and 3 courses too. What if I just get a whole degree of my portfolio? That would be nice. People do that. You know that? It's possible. He's not got a GPA. He's getting like a, I don't know, completion type degree. I take honorary degree. No GPA because he didn't work hard. You just submit assignments. No lab reports. Some bullshit, you know, that they always get. I don't even realize there's that many countries names that start with a B, man. Scroll for that long to reach Canada. Shit. It's asking me to connect to Ethernet so that I can what I can do. So I can install drivers. Hold on. I have an Ethernet wire I can extend. This is such a janky setup. I have a wire like flying across the room. But hey, it lit up. The wire lit up. Here, look. There's a wire. Wait, here. This wire. It's too dark to see shit. So wire this goes from here all the way to that desk there on top of my 3D printer. Or there's another switch that has the Ethernet, obviously, that is connected to this. It's just connected. So I can do install driver. I don't know. Next. Okay, external standard information, program outcomes, course learning outcomes. Explain the basic component organization. Okay, go. Interesting. Assessment and recognition. That's what it is. Prior learning assessment and recognition. Process by which course credit may be earned, may be granted for past learning acquired through work or other life experiences. Involves completing an assessment portfolio, test, assessment, etc., that reliably demonstrates achievement of the course learning outcomes. Contact the academic school to obtain information on the PLR process and the required assessment. Would you wanna name your device? A B Z L I. Hmm. What's something? Scotch bonnet. It's small, but it packs a punch, right? Should I name the device Scotch bonnet? I won't be able to remember that, man. I'm gonna just name the device ABRXR. Don't check for Windows updates, man. I don't want Windows updates, man. Some bullshit, man. Yeah, I'll just update right now. Honestly, what else do I have going on right now? You know, like might as well let it fucking update, man. It does have Wi-Fi. I don't know why I don't detect the Ethernet. I think I should do a reboot or something. Then installs the drivers and everything, you know. It's actually a valid point. Knowledge yellow is something that every STEM student should have. Did you have dinner? Yes, mom, I had dinner. Open your terminal and start clouding, son. Well, we not really clouding, unfortunately, for this stream. It's more of like a, as the title and everything says. Why can't I see the title? The heck? Oh, it's here, right? Yeah, late night software engineering, homework plus vibe coding. Now that y'all do mention it, I do want to vibe code something. In the meantime, that I study. Hold on, hold on. Oh, they got Codex Web? Nah, that's sick. Nice, 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 nice. Try it in your IDE. Yes, of course. The fuck? Of course. That's what I'm gonna do when I install VS Code. I need to install VS Code on this too. So much shit you gotta do, bro. But like, yeah, the previous comparison, why the ROG Ally is obviously a stronger machine than the ZY mini laptop, even though it's a decent computer. It's decent if you're doing office work, like opening emails, sending emails, just checking stuff, like all the stuff that doesn't require you to do programming, you know? If you're like a corporate person, that's like a really slick device. I would use it eventually at some point. But if you have to do programming, it's not really the strongest thing to have because, yeah, it's not the strongest machine, man. So it's really that simple. The Ally, on the other hand, is way better, you know? Mm. That's a good comparison, honestly. I was already like I already had it decided that I'm taking the Ally to school. I'm just stocking it up in the class, plugging it into the school monitor. Hopefully the prof doesn't get mad. But he shouldn't, right? But new whoa whoa whoa, you can search chats. That's cool. New chat, man. Mm. Mm, not bad. So for the vibe coding part, here that's another thing for this session, for the stream. We are gonna, try out Claude Design, my favorite. I only can I'm able to use it once a week because whatever I prompt it with, it burns through my entire Claude Design limits in one go, which is fine. Which is why we're gonna try and do this right now. That's everything about me as a dev, or should my portfolio website be like to be let's take the course should give tech geek vibes. I already met plot design. Why are you showing me this again? I gotcha, I gotcha, I gotcha. Skip intro. The fuck? Wait, what? Your designs. There we go. Okay, it's there. Prototype slide deck. Less text on slides. From template, animation, timeline based motion design. What? No animation. No. Prototype. Project name. Portfolio. Site. Yeah, it's created. Design shouted in a real context, but turn out better. Start with a sketch. Design system, animated video, okay, prototype. I screenshot that. I was just saying what I want. Great. Now it's gonna build me a new portfolio website while I'm doing assignments. This is the power of AI. This is what you should use it for, how it should be used. Now you can argue, well, why won't you study how to make a fucking website and make your own website? Because I don't have the time, buddy. You don't need to. It's the whole point of technology. Get stuff out of the way that you don't need to do. Focus on the, like, more specified, more niche topics. That's how we can actually excel. Because think about it like this, right? Technology stopped, honestly. Not technology, technology moved really fast, but science stopped moving that fast in the past, like, I don't know, like there hasn't been any huge discoveries like gravity since gravity, right? And then nothing crazy since Newton's Einstein's fucking time dilation shit and theory of relativity till now. Because we are not able to do all those calculations. But now with the help of AI, you can. We can probably like solve rocket science that they couldn't, that they've been struggling to do for so long. Soon enough, they're gonna find like ways to like do computation with these AI models and LMs. And you're telling me I need to spend more time to learn how to fucking make my portfolio upside. Nah, bro. Or it's just empty. It didn't build anything. It just made the file. So I just close it, honestly. And this. Let me just keep it open right there. While that cooks. Now I can get back here and get those other tokens from Godfather. Okay. Go back. Back. Okay, which ones did we do? We did content and ops. Next is academic. Academics is too long, so I'll call it ace. Nice. Okay, stop. Wait. Paste. Boom. That's the third. That's the third bot token that I sent. So now I need to the dev bot, the scout bot, and then the research bot. And all while it's cooking my portfolio website. This is peak multitasking. I haven't reached productivity like this in so long. I wanted to actually like study and lock in, and holy, I did actually lock in for this like an hour or two. Proud of myself. Defbot. Okay. Defbot. Boom. An hour 33 minutes. Holy shit, time passed. Nice. Flash. Get that. in 122 seconds. That's 2 minutes. Please try again in 122 seconds. Fuck it. I watched the new Mortal Kombat movie. Have any of y'all watched the new Mortal Kombat movie? No, yeah. Get out, Luca. Damn. So a Bitcoin holder says he recovered around $4 million, I don't know, $400,000 in lost Bitcoin after 11 years with the help from Anthropic's AI chatbot Claude. The user known as CPRK on X said that he lost access after changing his wallet password during college. And yeah, as the screenshot shows, he used Claude to crack his own password that he forgot. Fabulous. Fabulous indeed. Uh, Okay, so we kind of went over all of this. And over all of this. This is the post outline, right? We're going over this stuff. So we're working on my OpenClaws multi-agent framework system right now. So my OpenClaws context, like I said, was getting bloated with too much stuff going on, right? And I didn't want my Jarvis to like slow down and shit, and I also wanted to be able to get more stuff done. So when each agent has its own dedicated workspace and like context and skills and everything, it is it's a lot more better. Wait, sorry, I'm just like clicking through some setup options. So I'm setting up Windows and it's just asking me to install all the fucking bloatware. I can guess through everything because I don't really have enough different choice. Experience AV PC. Okay, I have a backup of my main PC, and I can restore that backup. Say less. I don't mind. Don't mind at all. It's just gonna bring back some apps and stuff. Maybe too many apps and stuff because I have a lot of stuff on my main PC. Fuck. When is this backup from? May 13th, 2026 is today's backup. So it's installing everything that's on this PC on this right now. That wasn't the smartest move, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. uh, fuck. That's funny though. Voila. It's way past 12. We didn't get to post a video. Because, yeah, I decided I'm not gonna post a video until I have edited all the videos that I have unposted. So it's fine. Because once I have edited all the videos that I have posted, then I can just post in a row for like 7 days. And in those 7 days, I'm gonna get my game up and then continue to keep posting. Trust, trust, trust. This month is what like 14th now. So like I'm just gonna like boost through this month, honestly. And then inshallah next month is gonna be a month things I don't know. It's like make dramatical changes because like you can just keep trying and it works, right? That's how it's supposed to go, right? So we're trying. We're gonna keep trying. I don't usually give up. So bada bing, bada boom. Compound 20. This is also compound 20. That's all the courses that post this. This is also compound 20. Close this. The number systems. Okay, this first, and then open programming here, and open web interface design here. Getting things ready for you. Great, thank you. Wow, this has just been watching YouTube And the battery's not even half dead. Nice. I'm kind of like surprised. I don't exactly dislike it. Let's see the accent colors. Anything even change? I'll put it down for you again. Stop. That's pretty cool. Get the work systems. Nice. Connect on the Wi-Fi first, so I can remove the wire that's hanging, and then can get back to work. But I really fucked with the website that I made. It's honestly sick. Exceeded my expectations, honestly. And praise the Lord. Project also -4. Process Windows. What's the word for it? What is it discuss? See my limits. Settings. Usage. Cloud design. 28% use. Nice. That website didn't take much usage. That's actually really nice. I like that. Nice. So while I was working on all of this, I got a whole, you know, the tweaks, do they even fucking work? What's the point of the tweaks? Comment, edit, background, nice, nice, uh, 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 font, okay, base size. Mm, mm. Oh, like I can click and edit everything. That is perfect. I didn't know that. Whoa. Whoa. How do you get more cloud design credits? Cloud design is in research preview, huh? Interesting. Okay, wait, let me see. Which agent, which Google bot was I making? Okay, it's logged in there. I'm doing so much at once. Hold on. We did the dev bot. So now next is scout. Mhm. But, then there we go. Copy. Go back here. Paste. Meta agents nightly review. I love OpenClaw. See, every night at 1 a.m. exactly, so this happened 4 minutes ago. It does the meta agent nightly review. This is a skill. It's a setup you do. I did a bunch of research to find out what kind of like the best things like set up for your open file. This is something that I found, and meta agent. It's a self-evolving agent that learns every night what it did all day, what kind of mistakes it made, what kind of tasks it's missing, how to improve tomorrow, and makes pointers that it goes to tomorrow morning. It is really nice. It has actually gone through like troubleshooted a lot of the stuff, you know, that whoa. What you mean verifying? What was that? Oh, this is V2? What did it even do? What's the difference? I fuck with this even more, yo. Nice, 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 nice. Mm, This is a nice website. For our bills. JavaScript and Linux. Yep. String. And actually type here. Oh, that'd be nice if it could. Contact. Go here. About. Easy here. Logs. Log. Services. Work. Great. Let's talk with it. How's that? They do live a separate file so I could compare. And I don't really see a huge difference except for like this is the term I see ideas into working systems. This is nice. I like this more. I like that I turn messy ideas into working systems. Then have a mission thing. See how much? Ah, nice for design credit. So building websites doesn't take that much design credit apparently. Also, it's been 2 hours and 2 minutes. That's a wrap for today's stream, honestly. Uh, all the actual classwork and stuff that I will do, I think I'm gonna have to honestly pick that up on the next stream because one, it's late today. I want to sleep and wake up for tomorrow's class, and two is like all the stuff that I do need to do isn't really gonna take much time. It's gonna be a breeze. So what I honestly just want to do is set up the ally for class tomorrow and sleep. Oh, and yeah, finish my multi-agent setup, the bot tokens, preparing codes, so that tomorrow morning I have different Telegram bots, different OpenClaw agents texting me for different stuff. How cool is that? I have a whole team of AI agents working for me. That's actually kind of sick when you think about it like that. to us for minutes. Stop streaming, or do I just come here and go like end stream, right? Either or works, right? End stream. End stream.